Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Ardha Chakrasana or half wheel pose. Stand straight with both the legs close to each other. Now place the palms of both the hands behind the hips. Inhale and start bending backward as much as comfortable without bending your legs. Hold the posture and breath for few seconds. Now slowly exhaling, come back to the standing position. This completes one round. Repeat the same action for 3 to 5 rounds. Vakrasana or half spinal twist. Sit down with your legs straight and stretched in front of you. Now bend your right leg and lift it. Place on the left side of your stretched left foot. Stretch your arms to the sides to the shoulder level and twist your trunk, head as far to the right side. Place your right hand behind your back and left arm over the right knee and try to hold your right ankle. Hold this posture for few seconds. Now repeat the same action with the left side. Practice 3 to 5 rounds on each side. Marjari Asana or cat stretch pose. Sit down in Vajrasana. Now stand on your knees and place your hands on the floor in front of the knees. Separate the knees and foot slightly and the toes should be flat behind the body. Now inhale and raise the head up by depressing the spine. Hold the posture for 3 seconds. Exhale and lower the head down by stretching the spine upward. This completes one round. Practice for 5 rounds. Ardha Ushtrasana or half camel pose. Now from Vajrasana, stand up on the knees slightly separated and feet flat behind the body. Stretch your arms to the side to shoulder level. Twist to the right, reach back with the right hand and hold the right heel. Simultaneously stretch the left arm in front of the head. Hang your head slightly back. Push the hips forward and thighs vertical. Hold this position for some seconds. Now return to the starting position and repeat on the other side to complete one round. This asana can be performed with both the hands. Kandarasana or shoulder pose. Bend the knees, keeping the foot in front of the buttocks. Grasp the ankles with both the hands. Now inhale and raise the buttocks and arc the back upward. Raise the chest and navel as high as possible. Try to push the chest upward towards the chin. Hold the pose for few seconds. Now exhale and lower the body down. This completes one round. Practice for 5 rounds. Those who have knee pain, they can, instead of touching your foot to the buttocks, you can keep your foot in front of your buttocks and do the same action. Bhujangasana or cobra pose. Now lie down flat on your stomach with both the legs straight and close to each other, with toes flat. Place the palms and both the hands under your shoulders, keeping your elbows parallel and close to your torso. Rest your forehead on the floor. This is starting position. Now inhale and raise your head, chest and abdomen while keeping your navel on the floor, trying to pull your torso back by straightening the arms. Hold the posture for some seconds. Now breathing out, gently bring your torso down to the floor. This completes one round. Thank you for watching this video.